Often they look the same, and this thing is the same. Maybe it's done by them. Different brand, but same seal. That's funny. Need to check it out. Today I want to talk about supplements. I bought these two supplements online. Can you see the difference? I bought it from the same company. If you only buy one, you wouldn't know what is the difference. But if you buy two of different brands, you will notice something that is similar. The cap is the same color, seal is the same. Look at the font. The bottle is the same. Different brand. 5 gram, 1.5 gram. Same size. Can you look at the tablet? For 5 gram to fit inside the same size of a 1.5 gram. If you take a look at the oxygen packet, inside is the same. Both is the same. Another thing I noticed is expiry font is the same. They print this out themselves. 10 mg. What is 10 mg? There's only 10 m. Missing G. 1 G is missing in the extra garlic oil. For health reason, I would not want to open and eat this. For health reason, I wouldn't want to open and pop this in. I just need to do a refund. The other thing I want to bring to your attention is when you buy a supplement online or maybe at a store, you have a camera, you can check this barcode. Check the barcode to see if it matches. Let me show you. I couldn't scan this because it's too long and it's curved, but I can scan this. I will show you now. Can you see the difference? They are not the same. So, the reason to believe they are counterfeit and repacket themselves. We do not want people to open up and repacket themselves. The air would have already gone in, including all the impurities, dirt sticking onto it. We don't know the condition of the premise that repacket it themselves. Best not to eat it and refund it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.